Welcome back to MYK Reviews. The 2025 McLaren Artura continues McLaren's journey into the electrified supercar world, blending hybrid efficiency with razor-sharp performance. It's not just another pretty face with a carbon fiber tub, it's a plug-in hybrid rocket ship engineered for the road and the racetrack. On the outside, the Artura is classic McLaren. Aerodynamic, sculpted, and utterly exotic. Every vent, duct, and curve serves a purpose. The design isn't loud, it's elegant aggression. Slim LED headlights, dihedral doors, and that tightly sculpted rear end with dual exhausts mounted high up give the Artura a look that's futuristic but still instantly recognizable as a McLaren. It rolls on 19-inch front and 20-inch rear wheels, wrapped in sticky Pirelli P0s built specifically for this car. Under the skin lies McLaren's new carbon fiber monocoque chassis, dubbed MCLA, McLaren Carbon Lightweight Architecture, keeping the car's weight low, especially important for a hybrid. Power comes from a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged V6 paired with a compact electric motor and a 7.4 kilowatt-hour battery. Combined output, 671 horsepower and 531 pound-feet of torque. That's enough to launch the Artura from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.0 seconds, with a top speed of 205 miles per hour. It's not just fast in a straight line. The Artura features an all-new rear suspension design, an electronic differential, and McLaren's latest proactive damping control. It handles with clinical precision, offering immediate turn-in, exceptional balance, and an almost psychic connection to the road. It's designed to be usable every day too, firm but never punishing. And yes, it's a hybrid. The Artura can drive up to 11 miles on electric power alone, perfect for sneaking in and out of your neighborhood without waking the neighbors or attracting unwanted attention. Plug it in, top it off, and still get all the drama when you want it. Inside, it's minimalist and driver-focused. The digital gauge cluster moves with the steering column, the paddle shifters are tactile, and the 8-inch vertical touchscreen houses all infotainment controls. There's Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a lightweight optional Bowers and Wilkins sound system, because why not blast tunes while doing 120? Safety tech is present but subtle. Adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and road sign recognition are available, though most buyers are here for thrills, not traffic jam assist. Pricing starts at around $237,000, which is competitive in the high-performance hybrid segment. And unlike some rivals, the Artura isn't trying to be a rolling tech lounge. It's a purist machine with a plug. The 2025 McLaren Artura is the perfect fusion of performance, electrification, and daily drivability. It proves that hybrid doesn't have to mean boring. It can mean brilliant.